So we're back with the 721D. I'm going to continue on and get a couple other little accessory pieces off. You know, just get the small things first and just keep getting it smaller and smaller, and then the big chunk should be easy to handle. So I think I'm going to get the twin sticks out of the way, battery, start draining the oil to the transmissions, and we'll see what happens from there for the time I got. So I think I'll stop there with the engine. I don't want to crack open the coolant or the oil or anything, or even the fuel quite yet. So I think the only thing I can really do is maybe crack it open the transmission lines there and start draining those systems out. That drain pan I got is already full of that oil, so I think that's what I'll do and then call it a day. Okay, so we got, well, let's just go through our little parts here. We got air cleaner box, the air intake hose, battery cables, the exhaust, that little hood support bracket and clutch cover bracket, the steering arms, alternator, starter, exhaust manifold bolts, and we got those electrical connections for the glow plugs, the starter, all the sensors and everything disconnected. And of course, we just got the transmission I guess supplementary hoses and everything taken off, and there's a lot less oil coming out than I would have imagined, but probably due to the fact that it already leaked it all out. But yeah, I think that's what I'll leave it off with. Not sure what I'll do next time. Maybe next time we'll get the fenders here, the step, the other fender, and maybe we'll crack open the coolant and get the radiator off. But yeah, thanks for watching.